सत श्रीकाल सब नु वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल Noorvi Creations. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. This channel is all about weight loss, makeup and styling tips. You'll get to know about what I eat in a day and how much weight I lost. So stay tuned and watch the video. Thank you. So the first thing in the morning is the weight check, and this is 78.8. Yes. Hello guys. So our first day went great. We have some good weight loss. So this is day number 2 and we are going to start the day with the morning drink, moringa water again. So let's prepare. This is water. This is warm water. We will mix this water in moringa. Mix it well like we did yesterday. This is moringa powder. See the nutrition value. This is the chart. This is like a multivitamin. So we will going to have this half teaspoon of moringa powder in 1 glass. I'll make actually 2 glasses of it. I'm dissolving lumps in moringa water with a spoon. I'll fill up this glass till here and drink. It still have some lumps, but it is okay. I'll drink it. This is the residue, so I will mix some more water and have one more glass. Other glass. As for now, I have to go to work, so I'm going to prepare my breakfast and my lunch right now, pack it and take it to the. So today we have aloo ki roti in the breakfast for me as well as for everybody in the house. I have added aloo, pyaj, adrak garlic paste, mirchi, jwain, amchur powder, kali mirch, amchur powder, kasturi methi, and we will mix everything and make a roti. So the roti is in the making. This is my lunch and breakfast. This is aloo ka parantha. Punjabi aloo ka parantha. I also did 15-minute exercise in the morning and then this walking. Breakfast time. This is my breakfast, aloo roti without ghee, with curd. Snacks time. 2 apples, 2 peas and 2 cucumbers. This I'm going to eat. Tasty fruits. Tasty fruits. Mama. Right now it's like 4 or 4:15 and I'm going to have my lunch. This is my lunch plate. Noorvi, please keep quiet beta. Paneer, leftover paneer from night, and my chapati, and this is and this is tomato, and this is Noorvi. So this is my plate for the lunch. Tasty, pakka. Now it's time to make dinner. So this is our dinner. We are preparing dinner. This is tadka for the dal. This is dal. We are making yellow dal. Now guess the dal. We are making yellow dal. And this is dough, atta dough of dal. Dal ki roti for the morning. By the way, this is tadka with desi ghee. And the meal is going to be late. I mean the dinner. I cooked it in a little bit of oil and added some masalas. This is sukke aloo ki sabzi. added rai, jeera, salt, haldi, kali mirch and amchur in it. So it is so tasty. This is the final look. Dal with tadka is ready. This is the dal. So this is yellow dal, that is chole di dal. My thali for the dinner is ready. It has one chapati, this little bit amount of aloo because I think moti na ho jama hun kha ke. The other thing that I have is dal with desi ghee tadka, one cucumber and half onion. So this is my plate for the dinner. I'm going to eat it. It's 8 p.m. Fruit eye candy. So let's add a bit of lemon. We are adding lemon for the taste. So after roti, this soft water is ready to drink. But before that, we are going for a walk. So see ya. Walk, 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 walk and talk. Walk, walk, walk. So with this walk, we have completed our target of 5,000 steps. Basically around 7,000 steps. Night detox water is ready to drink. So at the end of day 1, the weight loss was 0.04. That is pretty good. Yes.